Hello everyone, welcome to our channel One Design, where we learn something together. In this video, we will learn how to create a zoom in effect in PowerPoint. So first of all, I will open the PowerPoint and take a blank slide. I will insert a picture. I already downloaded the picture from the freepik.com and I will add the link regarding the same in description box. Go and insert your picture. So once your picture is inserted, I will add a new slide and I want to insert another picture. Go to insert from, and let's add the picture of the people having during the meeting. So I will increase the size of this picture so it covers the whole slide. So as you can see here on the first slide, and now what we want to do, and this is the view of a city, and city has a lot of buildings and a lot of apartments, and we want to understand that what is happening in this particular apartment. So how we can create that particular effect, I will show you in a minute. First of all, what we will do, we will insert a shape. Let's say rectangle. Here we will go to insert. We will add a zoom in effect from here, slide zoom. I will just select the slide 2, and now I can remove this particular rectangle. And here what I will do, I will go to the format. I will select the same zoom background and I will change the image. I have already taken the screenshot of the small window similar to the one that is in the building, so we can cast over it. See, we can adjust the building window here. Alright, so now what we can do, we have a meeting going on, so I think that this person is a bit thirsty, so let him provide some Coke. Let's add the cola on the table, and now we want to count that how many ice cubes in this particular cola has. So for that I will add a new slide. I will insert a picture. I will again make it big to cover the slide. And here I will again add a zoom effect. I will go to insert, go to zoom, slide zoom. I will add this particular slide. I will remove this particular picture and I will go to format. I will change the picture from the file and replace it with the same picture. One thing I would like to do here, which I forgot, I will click here, click to the zoom, and alright, let's go to the slideshow to see what happens. Here is a building, city view, and we want to understand what is happening in this particular building in window. So I'll click on here. As you can see, here is a people doing a meeting and this person is having a Coke, so I want to see that how many ice cubes are in this box. I will click on it and I will, if I want to go back to the previous view, I will again click on it. See, this is how the zoom effect works. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and tell me in comment box what kind of videos you want to see in future. Thank you.